Hello, so today on this channel we will study some correlation between personality disorders and the Big Five or FFM. And I will take the 10 personality disorders from the DSM-5 and tell you the correlation with the factors and even the facets of the Big Five model. So if we can start with the cluster A, personality disorders. So paranoid is correlated with neuroticism, and especially with angry hostility. And also it is negatively correlated with agreeableness, and especially strongly with trust. So it is very contrary to trust, to the facet of trust. So the second one in the cluster A is schizoid. So schizoid is negatively correlated with extroversion, and especially with the aspect positive emotions of extroversion. And for openness, it is on the aspect of feelings that the schizoid is especially negatively correlated. So schizoid don't tend to have shallow feelings. So not many positive emotions and shallow feelings. Schizotypal high in neuroticism, especially anxiety. As for openness, high in fantasy, and as for agreeableness, low in trust. So now the cluster B, antisocial personality disorder, low in the aspect of compliance for agreeableness, and low in the aspect of deliberation for consciousness, which is a little bit which is not very surprising, because deliberation means consciousness. Borderline personality disorder, very high in neuroticism, and low in agreeableness and low in conscientiousness. Now, histrionic personality disorder is slightly correlated with excitement seeking as for extroversion, and with fantasy as for openness. And the fourth of the cluster B is the narcissistic personality disorder, which is strongly correlated with neuroticism, which might be a little bit surprising, which is highly correlated with fantasy and openness, which is also maybe surprising, and is negatively correlated with agreeableness, which is not very surprising actually. Now the cluster C, avoidant personality disorder, are highly neurotic and highly introverted, and also negatively correlated with consciousness, which maybe is a little bit surprising also. Dependent personality disorders, neurotic, correlate very strongly with neuroticism, and also with negatively with consciousness, which is less obvious. Obsessive compulsive disorder, neuroticism, correlation, agreeableness, negative correlation, but which is a bit strange here. The study I have is that consciousness is not that impacted. That's it for today.